Thutha wa utongoria wa Azimio na Kenya Kwanza kuiguanira guthondeka kamiti ya amemba 10 atano kuma o mwahu, riu hari maundu mangi maria Azimio yugite no nginya mariririo kuhitukira ndumiriri iria yarekereirio ni utongoria wa miena yeri tariki 29 mweri uyu. Maundu maria marabangiirwo kwariririo ni kamiti iyo ya mwanya ni mogaruruku komishoni-ini ya IEBC, watho wa gicunji kia 2/3 wa gatiba wa kuiganania atumia na arume, kigina kia NGCDF, kuhagikwo kwa ofici ya mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro na gwikirwo watho-ini kwa ofici ya minista munene. Ona kuhanoro umoho wa Azimio ugite no nginya uhoro wa thogora wa muturire wongererwo mĩario-inĩ iyo.
We want to see actions by the regime that will lead to the immediate lowering of cost of living. It is our position that this issue does not require any discussion, but policy or action by the Kenya Kwanza government. But since they won't do it, lowering the cost of living has to be part of the talks. Negotiations must therefore include the repeal of the oppressive, cruel, and insensitive Finance Act 2023.
Uhoro wa thogora wa muturire ni mwa maundu maria atongoria a mwahu wa Azimio magwetaga ta kionereria kia mirurungano iria makoretwo magitabania. Umwe wa maundu maria mangi Azimio irenda mariririo ni kiria maugite ni thirikari guterefwo na kimenyano ndurire imwe ikiheo mawira gukira iria ingi.
Negotiations must include the issue of inclusivity. Kenya Kwanza must be made to disown and disavow the illegal, unconstitutional, and divisive efforts to turn Kenya into a private company that hires only those who voted for Kenya Kwanza.
Muthenya wa gatatu kiumia kihituku, mwahu wa Azimio ni warugamirie mirurungano iria wabangite na handu-ini hoguo gutabania mahoya makuririkana aria makuire mirurungano-ini na riu marenda ndeto ino yariririo na njira ndikeru.
In light of what has transpired these past days, we will bring to the table the issue of accountability and responsibility for the brutality and abuse of human rights of protesters.
Ona gutuika mogaruruku komishoni-ini ya IEBC ni mwa maundu maria marari mariririo, atongoria a mwahu wa Azimio marenda githurano kia mwaka muhituku githurimwo weru. Thutha wa githurano, atongoria acio ni matindikiriirie server cia IEBC ihingurwo, magititiriria ati korwo ni ciahingurirwo maumirire ma githurano mangieri mugaru na uria mari.
Audit of 2022 elections and the bipartisan reconstitution of IEBC and respect for the autonomy and independence of political parties must be part of the talks.
Ona gutuika mutaratara wa kamiti iyo ya thayũ ni mwarire, gutire kuramenyeka riria kanjia wira. Mwĩhoko uria terita riri ni kuruta wira nginya muthia na mumirira mayo macokie thayũ bũrũri-inĩ. Ikinya riri riukite thutha wa president wa tene wa Nigeria Olusegun Obasanjo guka guku bũrũri-inĩ gutabania kiria kionekete ta gutongoria mĩario ya thayũ gatagati ga thirikari na mwahu wa Azimio. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Mũriũki wa Mũcoki.